Hi, I'm going to explain today my international activity, which is Tinikling. So, this is a dance that originated in the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period. It's performed in groups of four. Typically, there are two boys and two girls. They use these bamboo poles, which are usually around 10 to 12 feet long. And so the people holding these poles use these poles to keep a rhythm for the dancers and also increase the tempo as the dance goes along. It's become a staple in some US PE programs because it uses skill themes such as hopping and jumping and turning. And here in the US, we use other materials besides bamboo poles such as PVC pipe or fabric straps. I have this explains it a little bit more about the dance, and I have an example here in this YouTube video of some dancers doing the Tnikling dance. And I think this would be a great addition to a PE program. It provides a way to use our skills, those skills, and also it's fun. So, thank you for watching my description of Tnikling.